Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is shared in Telegram on CADDology channel. Start drawing. First of all, we'll set in 3D workspace with the help of workspace switching. And after that, we'll change the view into SE isometric. Start a sketch, make a rectangle of 60 by 40 mm and make a circle and trim. Make a circle diameter is 16 mm. Make a region of our sketch, and after region we'll do extrude command of 12 mm extrude, and then press pull of circle to downward and select portion and delete it. Our middle portion is finished, and select plane on the side face for a sketch. And the view will be changed into back and make a rectangle of 40 by 20. Now I am shifting UCS icon and make a rectangle of 40 by 20. Make a circle and trim. Make another circle of 16 mm diameter or 8 mm radius. Create a region and go for the SE isometric view, and now extrude it of 12 mm and again press pull of circle and select and delete it. And now I am moving into corner, select and move command. Now I am copy that object, select edge and place another edge. Our above portion is finished now. Now I am changing our sketch plane. Now I am making a rectangle of 40 by 28. Make a circle of 40 mm and trim. Create a region, extrude it, twelve mm. Again press pull and select and delete. Our drawing is Finish now. Switch into SE isometric view. Go for the union. Select union command. Select all the objects and enter. You can see it is converted into one object. Our drawing is finished now. If any query, then comment and tell us.